Howdy everybody. Good morning. How are y'all today? Today is Memorial Day Monday. I want to start off by saying y'all don't forget what this day is about. Not only is it a good day to celebrate our freedom and remember all those who have fallen to give us this freedom. That's what today is about, remembering everyone that has fought and died for this country, that gave the ultimate sacrifice. All our brothers and sisters in arms who are not here with us today. It's not just about barbecuing and having a good time. It's about taking time to remember those fallen people. Pray for their families of the ones that are still here. So with that being said, this video is going to be kind of another hodgepodge type video. It's going to have a little bit from Saturday, a little bit from yesterday, and then some from today. So we're going to have a good time this afternoon. We're going to grill some stuff, eat some homemade ice cream. And yeah, hopefully y'all enjoy this video. Like I say, it's just kind of a random mix of thrown in stuff. We had a couple of viewer sales on Friday evening, so we sent them out on Saturday morning because of the long weekend. Hopefully they'll get the stuff maybe Tuesday. So yeah, hopefully y'all enjoy this, and thank y'all for coming back watching another video from us. We sure do appreciate each and every one of you. And we are going to be doing a 500 subscriber giveaway because you guys and gals blew us right past 500. And now we're at like 526, I think. So we're waiting on our other giveaway item. It's going to be coming in the mail on Tuesday when the mail runs again. So once we get that, we're going to do a quick video showing what we're going to be giving away and how to enter to win. So, and that bird's loud. Shut up! Anyhow, y'all enjoy this video. Alrighty guys and gals, so real quick, it is Saturday. I'm gonna film this clip to come out on Monday, as that is Memorial Day, so y'all will see some today and then some Monday, because I got a video today I'm planning on making. These are some box lights we got from Amazon, so we got to put them together, and we're gonna put them over here for my listing stuff for here in the clothes. And then I'm gonna move this light and then that light right there, and I'm gonna mount them right up here. I'm gonna clamp one on here and clamp one on there facing out this way, so to give us some more light in here, because I'm not gonna be able to fix that or that other one. So that's the plan with that. Alrighty guys and gals, so as I said a while ago, it is Saturdays here. We gotta pull some eBay orders. I'm only pulling 2 of them because they're 2 viewer sales and really special people to me and Courtney. So with Labor Day coming up Monday, we want to make sure we get this out
Memorial Day, not Labor Day.
Memorial Day coming up Monday. We want to make sure to get this stuff out, so it'll hopefully be there by Tuesday for them, so they ain't got to wait. So the first thing we got to grab is a Xbox cord over in D1. So let's walk over here and grab this. Here's D1. Here's the cord. And there's some controllers. So this is a genuine Xbox 360 cord. You can see it there, got the gold tips on it. And this sold to Matthew. He's a good friend of my brother's. He was actually his best man at his wedding. And I've not met him yet, but we can't wait to meet him. So Matthew, I appreciate the support. This sold for $6.29 plus shipping, so we're gonna get that out to you. And then we sold a couple of things to Miss Nikki T. And y'all know Resale, that's him right there. We got his thing up there. I'm gonna link his channel down in the description, and you'll probably see a picture of it right here. And David and Miss Nikki T are awesome people. They put out great content. I mean, absolutely great content. We can't say enough good things about Nikki T and the Rev, so y'all go over and check them out. And she bought a Lou the Rose shirt. So let's grab it first. So she bought this Lou the Rose, size medium. Just a, what kind of shirt is it? I don't, just t-shirt, perfect tee, I think.
Yeah, something like that.
It's yellow. She gives $6.99 plus shipping for this. And then she bought this Under Armour cooler, lunch pail, which is right here. See this? We just picked this up at a yard sale where we got a bunch of Lou the Rose. And this is a really nice lunch box, actually. See that there? So she bought this lunch box for $9.06 plus shipping. So we're gonna combine the shipping for her. I'm pretty sure that's still under first class rate. Nikki T, I'm gonna throw it in a bubble mailer, especially for you. I mean, we're gonna be pushing a priority mail here, you know. So we gotta make sure we send it out cheap. Hopefully you enjoy it. We'll try to refund you some shipping. And as I said, y'all need to go check out David and Nikki, Rev Resale. Great people.
The next day.
Alrighty, guys and gals, so we got these thorough good boots, hunting boots here. See these? They're model. I don't know what model they are. Anyhow, see they're kind of dirty. So I'm gonna show you how I clean them. I used a generic Windex because I clean everything with Windex, and it's a little scrubber. So we in here in the bathroom, and we're gonna show you how I clean these things. It'd help if you had a bigger sink, but this is all I got, so this is what we're gonna use. I just wet the brush just a little, like it. Take this Windex and just do the soles around, about like that right there, and then just take his little brush and then just give him a little scrubbing like that. And then we're going to do the same thing with the bottom. Try not to let your brush tear up on you. And just give them a little rinse. I'm glad these are size 15s.
I think they're actually a 12.
Okay. Once you get them rinsed, then we're going to catch the drippies and we're going to set them here to dry. And that's all I'm going to do with them. Do the same thing to that one. 8.
There's no
Whoa.
way.
Anyhow, so I'm gonna do this one, and then that's all we do to our shoes like that to clean them.
Well, not all the time.
Yeah, sometimes if they're white, we use the magic erasers, and if they got marker on them, we use alcohol, isopropyl alcohol, and that usually gets it off.
The next day.
Alrighty, guys and gals, we are sitting here. We just wrapped up this live show with Eric, OBX Picker. Y'all say hello to him.
Hey guys, glad to have you here, man. Please make sure you're supporting Redneck Resale. Colton and Courtney are awesome people. Enjoyed being on their show and look forward to seeing what they put out in the future.
Oh, that's awesome. So if y'all don't know Eric, I'm going to put his channel link down in the description of this video. Make sure to go over there, check it out. We did a live with him, which is today, which is going to be your yesterday. So y'all go back and rewatch that. And we'll get back at y'all here in a minute.
The next day.
Alrighty, guys and gals. Why ain't that working? It's unplugged. Anyhow, so I got me a light just stuck up there for now, and then one over here for now until I can mount them up here. Look at that Kmart tape. Ain't that awesome? It says, if seal is broken, check contents. Kmart tape. That's awesome. But we ordered this right here from Eric OBX Picker. I done opened it. And this is a Nintendo Power Magazine, Super Mario 64. And I like Mario 64, so I bought this one to, uh-oh, we lost in a man. To stick up here, I about need another shelf. I'm gonna have to get me 2 shelves. I guess we'll get another one and put it right here. Anyhow, so we got the JFJ in. So I'm going to show y'all that here in a minute. This thing is awesome. Straight up awesome. We got the sanding pad and stuff there. Y'all can see Courtney over there listing the leggings. It's early. It is early. It is currently 7:20 on Memorial Day. And we in here just doing a little bit of work, this and that and the other. Oh yeah, here's these box lights. Y'all probably seen them on Instagram. They weren't very expensive for the tripod, and the 2 lights was like $59 shipped on Amazon. And I mean, they're pretty awesome. They're a lot better than those panel lights I had over here. Like, they're not as harsh of a light. Them things are pretty hard. Like, they put off real bit bad glares. Them are real soft. So, happy with them lights. I should have got them a lot sooner. Alrighty, guys and gals. I'm going to show y'all this JFJ. Look at that. See how scratched up that is? This is Shadow of the Hedgehog. I have no idea if it's worth anything. I'm just going to show y'all how this thing works, and it's pretty awesome. So you just basically put your disc in here. Okay? Hold on. I got to grab some toilet paper. And then what I found to do, I seen it on a YouTube video. I can't remember whose it was. But you take just a little piece of toilet paper, like this. And you want to put it between this and this. I'm thinking I can get me a rubber washer and do the same thing eventually. But this will just create like a barrier between this nut and this disc, and prevent it from scratching it, you know, and swirling it, because this disc gonna be spinning. And if you ain't careful, it'll leave rings on it. You know, it ain't got to be perfect. Just get it close to the nut like that. And then this one we're gonna hit it with sandpaper for 10 seconds. It's just a soft grit sandpaper. Most of them you don't even need the sandpaper, but this one's bad. Got some deep gouges in it, like that one. So we're gonna hit it with the sandpaper for a second. You just close it down, turn it on, 10 seconds. Like I say, I'm still getting used to this thing and figuring it out, so I may not be telling you right. But then we throw this buffing pad back down in here. And then this stuff right here is solution number 2. Just put just a little. About like that. I'm going to close that thing down and let it go for 2 minutes. Alrighty, so that's done. Let's open this thing up and look at it. I'd say that's pretty good. You're supposed to change out your pad, but I ain't been doing it. You can use this one if you want to get a little more shiny. You don't have to, but just if you want to, you can. You just do it again, except we ain't gonna run this one that long. We'll just run this one a minute, and that'll just get it just a little more shiny. I have, whenever I've done this, I did after I even sanded them just like this. I did the same thing with multiple discs yesterday, and then we took it back there to the, I'm on my backpack clip here, to the TV, and tested them out, and they all worked fine. So I don't think I'm gonna test certain ones like this one, because I don't have an Xbox, regular Xbox, so I'm just gonna sell it as is, and if something happens and it don't work, I'll just, you know, refund it. But it seems to, it does a really good job on these discs. And the good thing is you just pop it in there, go about doing something else, whatever you had going on, come back to it when it shuts off, do what you need to do, and then you ain't just sitting here over it like we are now, you know. So now that that's done, let's pop this thing up. I apologize for the shoddy camera work. Let's unscrew that right there. Take that toilet paper off. Okay, and then what we're gonna do, take this napkin and some of this little spray stuff they sent you, and them little kits, and you just spray it and wipe it down. Y'all see that? There's a few little tiny scratches, but nothing bad. You could really hit it with the sandpaper again to get that out, but that'll play. So, pretty happy with that. Alrighty, guys and gals, hopefully you enjoyed this video. I know it's been a hodgepodge again. Today's Memorial Day, so we're gonna hang around in here, and she's gonna keep listing these clothes. I'm gonna photo some of this glassware to get it out of here, because we need it gone off that table.
If it ain't listed, it doesn't sell.
Right, so we're just gonna take a bunch of photos listed, get this video edited and uploaded for you guys and gals. Roll Tide. But I do thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button for us. It'll help us out and help with the analytics somehow. I don't know. They say it does.
Also ring the bell.
Yeah, ring that bell. Ding a ding a ding a ding. And I'm watching y'all on my phone there. See that? So if y'all keep wondering why I'm looking down. But that's what we got planned for today. We're just going to keep working, clean some video games, take pictures of some glasswares. We got to sweep.
Try to get all these clothes listed.
Take a nap. I don't know. I don't know.
Plus we gotta cook, make homemade ice cream.
But you all have a great Memorial Day, and we will see you guys and gals tomorrow.